Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much. I really love this part of the year with the 4th of July coming up in California. This is just our time. It's our toy time, you guys and girls. So some exciting news this year. Phantom Fireworks, according to my sources, are going to release 4 brand new fountains for California. And they are down below here. You'll see Champagne's Supernova being the first one. It is a beautiful fountain with an effect that is new to California, and hopefully it hits the stands because of this. You're going to see in just a few seconds. But I also understand these are supposed to be BOGO items as well. No pricing has been released yet, but see if you love this fountain like I do. Yeah, that's the effect that I'm talking about. This is a first for California fountains. You've seen it in silent mode from Winda, some T-Sky, and some other Iron Man. But a semi, and you see the effect again. It's kind of like that floating willow effect. God of Fire is the closest thing I think that I've seen as a cone, and that is I thought it was a T-Sky, one of those brands, Black Scorpion brand, whatever. And primarily, you know, quieter effects throughout. All right. You know I'm a fan of these quieter fountains. What do you guys think of that? Yeah, put some comments down below if you like it or like to see it, or how much you think it's going to be. The next one is Orbital Outburst. And actually, this is Celestial Combustion. I got them a little bit backwards here, but that's okay. You guys can follow it. And this one's got basically 5 ground blooms on each side and some incredible height, and a small section of that kind of willow style or K-pop tree, I've seen it described before, effect. Don't worry, you crackle fiends. There's some crackle that's coming. Here comes our spinners. Look out! Here it is. Look at that. It's just beautiful. And unfortunately, TNT doesn't have anything like this. There we go. It's got 3 series of the ground blooms, and you see in the next one happen right here. Really tough to pick out colors on with a camera that's happening here, but I wonder if the car dealership out there appreciates the fallout of these fireworks. Probably not. Woo! Nice crackle effect. Height. It's a little hard to tell, but it looks pretty high. Woo! I lost my voice there. We got the next one is the Orbital Outburst, and here it comes. I don't know if that last video cut out or not, but anyway, you get the idea of the effect. This is a little more standard type fountain with a lot of effects that we've seen before. Pretty blue pearls though, or purple, I don't know. All right, just kind of some standard crackle. The duration's good. Nice. To me, nothing really new. I don't see like peach colors or different things that we don't normally experience, but alright. Okay, this is the thing that is new. I forgot about this. Combustion Day for those of you that know that one and from DFS. Of course, the Flight of Fancy rewrap. All right, well wow, look at that. I got this little cool digital graphic at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for more news. And this is about, I don't know, 90% chance that we'll get this. We'll see. The sources did tell me that we're going to get it, so I'm going to go with that.